how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Bowser from Super Mario. He's going to be just his face. This one's going to be completely for beginners, okay? And I'm going to go through it step by step, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with the middle of his brows. So I'm going to draw a line down here for kind of his angry brow. I'm going to go over here and draw the top of his snout. Gotta fix those lines there. Don't forget, hit the like button if you like Mario or any of that stuff. It's going to let me know what to post more of. Also, suggest maybe some bad guys, or the theme of the channel is scary through the whole year. So I need you to kind of recommend some stuff, and I'll be sure to draw it. But just recommend it right now. Going to curve up over here for the bottom of the brow on one side. Line here. Go over here on this side. Down, up, down, up, down. Okay, on that side, zigzag on the edge of it's the edge of his eyebrows. Pulling back, down, in. Up, down, up, down, up over here, down over here, in. Curve over here, top of the head, down, down, okay, pulling the nose a little bit more down here, curve over here for part of his mouth. I'm going to go over here for the bottom of the eye, and I'm going to make a curved line from the inside here up. And I'm going to curve from there to find that side of the eye. Going to do the same thing on this side. Here. So now I'm going to find the head. See where it's curving? And I'm going to find that, and it's going to pull down on this side and pull out. Pull down over here on this side, pull out. That's supposed to be the head rolling over here. Curve, curve for his eyes, dot, dot for the center point, the dots of his eyes, or the iris and pupil in one. Go over here to this nose area, curve, curve. Let's go to the top line for the top of the hair, down, curve again, down, up, down. Let's go over here to the horn, up, curve, curve, down, up. That's the base of the horn, and it's kind of behind here. One horn right there. Going to continue to move the hair into the kind of into and behind that horn. So this base, we're going to go over here on this side, find the bottom of the base right here. Then we're going to go over here, find the base on this side. Then we're going to find the horn on this opposite side here. There, down. All right. Up over here, curve. Up over here, curve. Curve right there. So you have the sides of his mouth, just like these curvature. Then I'm gonna, as I go down, do another small curve. Small curve. And let's find the bottom of the mouth, on which there's pretty much curves everywhere. There's something like this. Gonna go here, the mouth, and I'm gonna find the side of the mouth open, side of this mouth open. We're gonna draw like a W shape coming from that smile. One here, one here. Gonna go from this side down, this side down. Curve underneath. And we're gonna find some teeth. There's one triangle, two, one over here, one over here, 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 here. Gonna draw a line back here, a line back here, and he has the tongue in there, so I'm gonna fill this in with dark. And there you go. You have Bowser's face. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to make this the episode where you subscribe. I post every day. It's a different character having to do with something scary or maybe like a bad guy. Definitely don't miss out on it. Thank you so much. I will talk to you in the next video, okay? Hit me up. Say hi to me in the comments if you can hear my voice right now. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later. And hopefully I'll catch you over there later.